CRCL stock analysis and CRCL stock prediction. What I'll be doing here is just showing you my exact play with it. And as of the previous idea that I got and I called out, this was so decent because it absolutely did deliver. Here is the proof. Boom, copy this. Yeah, it's so good, you know, 104 when it was sitting at 2 days back. Needless to say, even beforehand, even just with the limited amount of data, I called it out. But this doesn't mean that for Monday, for example, tomorrow, I'm immediately going to start buying again. No. Ideally, it corrects down, but this is why I will keep you updated. This is a decent demand. Like, let's not play dumb here. This is very decent. So, if you do want to learn how I'm making 5-10K per month trading, click the first link in the description, get my emails for free. And there's nothing else that I'll be adding here for sure. Like, have previous receipts in the Discord in the trade alert section. So, that's cool. See ya.